This is a regular Ford truck, just put on some special tires for off-road capabilities, military grade stuff, and put up a small camper on the top. It's a little space but very comfortable, very well designed. Here's a truck for you. It's kept me going. It's already 13th or 14th day today. I've done over 5,000 miles. Still probably another 2 days to Los Angeles because from 13th onwards I have events, I have to get there. So, this is a new lifestyle for the pandemic. Best way to keep social distancing. I'm not staying in any hotels, not… Here I have Adi Yogi going up there, and not staying in any homes, just sleeping and living in the camper. My cooking skills are coming back, managing to eat pretty well once a day. Rest of the time I'm driving every day, 700, 800 miles per day, except for those days when I have webinars where I stop, where there is some good Wi-Fi. And teams help me with that. Here I am.